This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by running the installer as admin. This is necessary so drivers and TAP adapters install correctly. Once the Soft Ether VPN client and the VPN Gate plugin finish, open the Soft Ether Manager. Make sure to allow the TAP driver when prompted and set your network profile to private for troubleshooting. While you install, close other VPN apps and any virtual NICs. Once done, you'll be at the client main window, ready to add a VPN Gate connection entry. Proceed to the next slide. You'll see the VPN Gate public server list inside the client. This is where selection matters. Sort by RTT or success rate and choose a server with low latency and recent uptime. Once you pick one, double-click it and accept the certificate and connection prompts. This creates a virtual adapter. Make sure to choose TCP or UDP depending on your network's restrictions. UDP is faster but may be blocked. After connection, verify your new gateway IP and test basic websites to confirm routing. Once connected, confirm the VPN is working by checking your external IP and running a DNS leak test. This proves traffic routes through the relay. If something goes wrong, try disabling IPv6, reinstalling the Soft Ether TAP driver, or switching to another VPN Gate server. These fixes resolve most issues. Make sure Windows Defender or firewall rules aren't blocking the adapter. Finally, keep the client updated and choose relays with consistent uptime. That combination gives you the most reliable VPN Gate experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.